Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on Power BI. In today's video, we're going to learn how to determine the size of the fields or table in Power BI using DAX Studio. Most of you guys would have faced a situation where the data set is growing constantly and you want to limit it for certain reasons, maybe IT constraints on the size, performance, etc. I'll share a simple way to determine which field or table is consuming more space, and then you can act upon it to reduce it by following certain good practices. Today we'll discuss only about the first part. Let's get started. As you can see here, I have a sample PBX file with some dummy data. So I want to determine which column or field within a table is consuming more space, so that if there are like any fields which are taking like a lot of space, I can act upon it and try to reduce it or remove that particular field if it is not essential. So one of the prerequisites for this exercise is you need to have a DAX Studio. So as you can see here under the external tools, there is an option, something called like DAX Studio. So if you haven't enabled this, or if you're not seeing it, there is a separate process to make this enable in the Power BI. So I have created a separate video on this. So you can look for enable external tools like DAX Studio or Tabular Editor in the video list. So once we have this option right here, DAX Studio, what you have to do is simply click on this icon, DAX Studio, and that will open up a new window. As you can see here, now I have a new window, DAX Studio. So you will have an option to write the script here. So we can write only simple script and then get the field values here. So I'm going to write the script. So I'll just put this script in the description so that you can simply copy it and then run your code. So the first step is select. We need to have the dimension name, and then also we need to have the attribute name, and then dictionary size, from system dot discover table name, so storage table columns, where dictionary size is greater than 0. And then we can order by dictionary size, maybe descending, and then let's run this code. So as you can see here, we know what are the fields that is consuming space, and along with the field name and the size of this particular field. So what I can also do is, let me convert this into KB. Maybe I can round it off as well. Oops. Okay. So as you can see here, we have the list of all the fields along with the column names and the size occupied these fields. So assume that if you have a large field which is redundant, you no longer require those fields. You can simply remove it or comment it in your load statement so that you can reduce your data types by a substantial amount. Yeah. So I hope this video was helpful. It was like a very short video, and probably the next step would be how to reduce this field size. Either you can remove the fields or try to reduce the redundancy, or there are like various ways. So we are not going to talk about that topic right now. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.